This is going to be the spark plug replacement on a Goldwing 1800. So on this particular model, I had these floorboards. I've already removed them. They're pretty simple, pretty easy to remove, but they clamp on to the crash bars. And there's just 4 bolts that hold them on. So it's just sandwich on. This sits like, oops. Sits like that on the bottom side. 4 bolts, just like that. Once that's out of the way, again, I've taken out most of the fasteners, but what you have is you have 2 in the chrome strip, and then you have 3 down on the bottom. A lot of times they have these little rubber caps in them, like you can see in this one. And you can just pick them out with your fingernail. Okay. These top 3 do not have to come out. That's just a part of the, that's actually part of the valve cover. So I'll take the last 2 that I still have in here out. And these are a 6mm Allen. Okay, so that's free. Off comes the cover. There's bugs and all. Okay, now we have access to our spark plugs. This is identical on both sides. I'll only do one side for the video here. But what you're going to do, start one by one. Pull the plug cap off. Okay. Now that we got the plug cap off, it's 5/8. Cracking these. Just once things are loose, get your blow gun, blow any dirt and anything around out of there. These aren't so bad because they're opposed engine, but I'm gonna have spark plugs in the top that have a tendency to collect dirt and dust and that kind of thing. Okay, and out she comes. I have no idea how long it's been on this particular bike, but there's the spark plugs in not terrible condition. See some eroding, maybe. Anyways, we'll change them out. Put it back together. Here's a little better shot of the old versus new spark plug. You can see the old one has the rounded corners and some definite wear to it. I don't know how well this will work, but you can kind of see ground strap has some material transfer. Spark plug gap on this is 1 to 1.1 millimeters. These plugs came from Honda. They do come pre-capped. I measured it anyways, and it's bang on. So I'll just go ahead and install. To the next. From here on, it's pretty much all the same as what we've already done. I think we need to show it 6 times over. But that's all there is to changing the plugs on the Goldwings. Nothing too crazy. I guess another interesting tidbit is this particular bike has about 110,000 miles on it. So there's no way these are original, but they've been in there for a while for sure. So there's number. Anyways, we'll carry on.